Hi all, Planetside Agent here. Today I'm going to go over a new cook kit I just put together based on the DS101 aluminum cook set that you can get online there at eBay from several different vendors. And I do have a separate video just on this cook set alone, and also on a couple other cook sets, one for a Svea 123 that I built around it, and also one of the paint can gasifier stove cook sets, and I'll put links to those videos in the description on this one. So anyway, we'll get started here. There's these cook sets, aluminum. They nice heavy grade. They do come in their own stuff sack, which is always nice. Keeps everything together. And this cook set I kind of built around to use my GSI insulated cup, and this is the only cook pot that I could really find that it would fit in, and it's a good, I think it's what, 16 ounces. It's a good capacity insulated cup, which I like. Lots of tea or coffee. But anyway, then you got the lid, and we'll just unpack it here. In the top, let's just pull this out right now. The way I got also I have a stove with this. It's a knockoff Trangia or A-Lox. There's many different brands, but I'll just go over real quick. Just odds and ends. I got a Bic lighter in there. I got a little scrubby, and of course I haven't used this yet. I just put this together because I got all the pieces just recently. And what I like about this is the GSI. I got one of the alcohol burners that comes with a pot stand for it, and that fit nicely over the GSI cup, and then it sets down low enough that I can put the cup over the top of it, and that is really great because then I got everything in one spot, my burner and my pot. And I throw some extra stuff in there too, and then we'll go over that. So underneath the pot stand, you got a little bit of room. I have just a rag to use for cleanup or whatever. Also some waterproof matches, and one of the collapsible fork and spoon set. And they fit nicely on top of the cup and underneath the burner pot stand. Okay, so on the inside of the GSI insulated cup, I don't know if I did a video on this one or not, but it's pretty nice. It's got a handle here if you want, and like I say, it's insulated, it's plastic, it's got a sipping hole, and it's sealed, so it'll be real nice. Anyway, it's a good size cup. So you can make a good cup of coffee or a good cup of tea. So, and inside the cup, it's still got room. I have the stove and then some extra goodies. Packet of bouillon in case you want to make a quick soup. A couple of tea bags. A little bit of sugar for the tea. I mentioned before that I add for my tea this Bigelow's Constant Comet, which is my standard outdoor tea. I put just a tad bit of sugar in it just to kind of bring out the orange flavor in the tea. So that's there. And then inside I have the alcohol burner. And this little cook set or burner set comes with a stuff sack to store everything in, but I didn't need all that since I was going to put this on top. I wasn't going to carry this separately. And what's nice, it's a good way to keep something just to store the stove in, and then that fits very nicely inside the bottom of the cup. And like I say, I got room for the tea bags and some other sundry. So of course there's plenty of room left over. You can get more stuff in here if it's small. But anyway, and this is the standard. There's a bazillion videos on these guys. It's a knockoff of the Trangia alcohol burner. Same thing, but so really nice. You can, it's in here, And of course this pot fits nicely on top. So there you go. You got your whole cook set all complete in one, and it's pretty nice. So put it all back together. I'll go ahead and do that. I don't have any fuel in this. I haven't fired this one up yet, but these work great. They work just as good as the Trangias, which I have one of those too. I got all kinds of stoves just because I got a problem. So I'll put all this back away for you. And like I said, this will fit in the bottom of that. For my sugar. Cram my tea bags in there. Grab some. I got the packet bouillon Goa, which I like this better because I've used bouillon cubes like in survival kits and stuff, but after a while they draw moisture and get pretty gunky. I'm thinking this powder stuff, as long as I don't, you know, keep flexing the package, it should stay good dry for a good long time. So if I add any more bouillon to different survival kits, I'm going to use this stuff. So anyway, that'll fit nicely in there. Then you got the lid. Oops. You got to make sure it sets. It's pretty close tolerances, so you got to make sure everything fits. Make sure I'm staying in frame in here. And then, like I said, then this will nest down to the top of the pot rest, or the burner rest. So this will, you can see that okay. Make sure it gets past the handle stuff. But you can see, there you go. And you'll want to, if you decide to go this route, you want to make sure that this thing sets down as close as you can, because this barely fits underneath the cups, the lid slash cup. So anyway, where am I? It got dark all of a sudden. Okay, and this will just fit in here. And you throw in your scrubby, and throw in your lighter, and then to get the collapsible fork and spoon in there, they fit underneath nicely. Get in there. Okay, then the matches, and then I just cram this little cleanup rag in here, and that'll help keep the spoons and stuff from jostling around when you're, you know, hiking down the trail. Of course, oops, close these up and make sure everything is kind of centered so this nests nicely. See, and then that'll fit in there just right. And here's your stuff sack, and there you go. So yeah, it's a so this is my latest cook kit. I gotta find time to use all these darn cook sets. Or just get off my butt and go do it. So anyway, there you go. There's the cook set for the GSI insulated cup and the DS101 aluminum cook set. Oh, by the way, I did weigh this. I'll put the grams in the description. I didn't have my calculator's on the phone here, so I couldn't convert it to grams for everybody else. But this kit comes in at 22.5 ounces. So, and let's see. I think that's all. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.